Why, hello! Hi, everybody. Today we're going to do a problem 4-39 about evaluating algebraic expressions. So they're going to give us an algebraic expression, and what we're going to be asked to do is we're going to be asked to take what the variable is. We know what the variable is. It was unknown until it was found. So we're going to take what it was and we're going to remove it and we're going to plug in our value for j. We know that in this case j is 4, so we're going to take it, we're going to plug it in for j. So here we have 6j's minus 3, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite my expression, but for where j is, I'm going to substitute in 4. So I'm going to write 6, and then I'm going to write j, but instead of putting j, I'm going to put parentheses for where 4 will go. So I'm substituting out the variable, and I'm going to plug in what j is, and j is 4. The reason for putting the parentheses, if I don't put the parentheses, that looks a lot like 64. And it's not, it's 6j's. So we have 6 times 4. We have 6 4s. And 6 4s is 24. And 24 minus 3 is 21. So that's our value. That's our value of the algebraic expression when j is 4. Here's a little bit strange. We've got half b. So, well, 1b would just be a b. But what's half of a b? Well, just half of whatever that value is. So in this case, we know that b is 14. So we're going to substitute it in for our variable here. So you rewrite your expression. 1/2 b, and when you get to b, you use your parentheses and you plug in b. So half b. Whoa, what happened here? Here we go. Half b plus 5, and we know what b is. We know that b is 14. Now we need to figure out what half 14 is. Well, half of a 14 is 7. Half of a 14 is 7. Hello. Thank you. Half of a 14 is 7. And 7 plus 5. Half of a 14 is 7, and 7 plus 5 is 12. All right, last one. We have 8 plus 4 k's. And I know that my k's are 3.5, so we're going to substitute in 3.5 for where we see k. So we have 8 plus 4k, so 4 times k, whatever k is, and k happens to be 3.5. 3.5. So now we have 8 plus 4, 3.5. So we need to multiply before we add. So the order of operations says we multiply before we add. So 4 times 3.5. Well, I know that 3.5 times 2. I know that 3.5 plus 3.5. So I know 2 3.5s is 7. So 4 of them must be another 7. So that would be 4. So 14. So 2 3.5s make 7. Another 2 would be another 7. So this is 8 plus 14. And 8 plus 14 is 22. So that's how you evaluate for algebraic expressions. Bye.